Hello scientific people, welcome to DAV Moyle Public School. I hope you are doing great with the chapter of reproduction in plants. Previously we have studied about reproduction, what exactly reproduction is, different modes of reproduction, sexual and asexual mode of reproduction. Now in this video we will see something about dispersal of seeds or how seed is being dispersed. Now previously we have known something about reproduction in plants wherein male gamete and a female gamete fuse together to form a zygote, and from that zygote a seed is being produced in the ovary or rather ovule of a flowering plant when we talk about asexual method of reproduction. Now since here we are talking about asexual method of reproduction wherein seeds are involved. Now seen as soon as the seed is being produced, now seeds needs to be dispersed. Now seed dispersal is simply the movement or the transportation of seeds from the parent plant. It is simply the dispersal from the seed which is being dispersed from the parent plant. Now seed dispersal can take place with some natural or some artificial methods or some natural climatic conditions. Now why it is important for a seed dispersal? Since as you can see in this picture, one plant is there and small seeds are being floating in the air. So seed dispersal is taking place. Now next question arises, why seed dispersal is extremely important. Now if the seed is not getting dispersed or it is at one location, now because of which the competition of light, space and nutrition might be there in between the plants, as a result of which the plant may not grow. So that's why seed dispersal is necessary. Now first we will see how seed dispersal can take place by winds. Now wind is the most primitive and the most topmost level from which the seed dispersal is taking place. So seed dispersal is one of the most primitive means of dispersal. Here wind plays a very vital role. Now as you can see, this is one of the orchid plant. This orchid plant, small seeds is there. Now in certain climatic conditions, these plants disperse the seeds in the atmosphere, as a result of which the seeds is getting spread in the environment and nearby area. As soon as these seeds travel in the nearby area, new orchid plants will be growing. The other example, that is drumstick. As you can see, this is a drumstick. This is a fully grown drumstick seeds. Now in the atmosphere, the drumstick plants disperse the seed, as a result of which the new drumstick plants starts to grow. So this is a simple method of dispersal of seeds with the help of wind, and it is the most important and the most rapid form of dispersing seeds. Now the next method, that is dispersal by water. The next method, as you can see, water also plays a very vital role in getting dispersed of seeds from one place to another place. Now as you can see, water is a flowing body. Hold on for a second. Water is a flowing body, and now soon as this seeds fall into the surface of water and water starts to flow, and after certain distance the seeds which is being travel starts to develop in a new plant. This is dispersal by water. And some aquatic animals, aquatic plants like coconut, lily, usually disperse the seeds in this form. So many aquatic or water dwelling seeds dispersal through water. Your seeds can travel extremely through a long distance, as the water is a flowing device. Depending on the specific mode of water, this specially applies to fruits which are waterproof and floats on water. Now this dispersal of water can only happen when the seeds is being waterproofed. Now since the seeds which is being waterproof, then only the seeds will be traveling from one form to another form, one place to another place, and the seeds will travel at a certain distance and the seeds will grow. Some examples of this dispersal of water is by coconut plant or lily plant. Now whatever I've told, it is written over here. You can go through this. It is simply the dispersal of water, seed dispersal with the help of water. dispersal of seeds can even happen by the animals also. Now, animals which disperse the seeds in several ways is named as zoochory, zoochory, or seeds can be transported on the outside of the vertebrate animal. Now, majority of the vertebrate animal eats seeds, and they travel from one place to another place. When they travel from one place to another place, the seeds are being transported from one place to another place, and as a result, dispersal of seeds is happening with the help of animals. Now, other form of dispersal through the animal is we also disperse seeds in some way or the other. Like for an instant, majority of the seeds when we go by the garden and all get stuck into our socks and pants, and we travel from one place to another place. The seeds is being transported or transport from one place to another place, and seed dispersal is also taking place. So as you can see, this is a plant, this is an animal. With the help, as this animal travel from one place to another place, the seeds is getting dispersed, and the excretory product of this bird, this it also contains seeds, and it is also traveling from one place to another place, the excretory product of this bird, and the seed is getting dispersed. Now, dispersal of seeds with the help of fruits also. Now, explosion of fruits. After certain days, the seeds, or the perfect example of dispersal of explosion of fruit is an example of pea plant. Now, as soon as the pea plant is fully ripe, the seeds get exposed into the atmosphere, and the seeds are being dispersed with the help of this phenomena, which is known as dispersal by explosion of fruits. Perfect example is a pea plant. As you can see, this is a pea plant. As the pea plant is fully ripped, it's exposed into the atmosphere, and seeds is being transported, and new pea plants will grow in the nearby area. I hope you have understood the concept. Thank you and have a nice day.